What was the hardest section on trail and why? That's a question from dship253. Now, it's not as easy of a question as you might think. And you may ask, Ryan, why is that? And if you really think about it, each section brings its own set of challenges. The desert, for example, you're just starting out, you're trying to figure out what your cadence is, what your speed, how to do everything, not to mention it's hot. You're in the desert. You then move forward to the Sierra where there is a significant amount of snow and high elevation. That presents its own challenges. Or go to Oregon where the mosquitoes are constantly trying to suck your blood. And not only each section for us, think of each year. Look at 2023 when those individuals had record-breaking snow in the Sierra. That's going to be probably cut and dry for them. They will come out and say the Sierra was the toughest part, at least those that decided to go through the snow that year. That being said, if I am to pinpoint one section that brought on the most challenges for myself, it would have to be Northern California. And the reasoning behind NorCal was the heat. You're doing very similar elevation to what you were doing in the Sierra, but instead of 20 degrees Celsius, it's pushing 40 degrees. Albeit you don't have the same elevation challenges that you do in the Sierra, but you're still moving a significant amount of distance. It's tough to sleep at night because it's so hot. You're battling the strength of the sun all day. You're at times taking 2-3 hour breaks in the shade at peak heat just so you don't succumb to heat exhaustion. Not to mention the abundance of water slows down to that of what we're used to in the Sierra. So we have to be a little more cautious about how much we're carrying, how much we're consuming, and really focus on our electrolyte intake. So for that reason, the hardest section for me during my PCT journey was Northern California.